Hey, this is Marcos from CV Pools, and I wanted to give you a tip today. This is a Hayward Northstar pump, and you can see that I have it in this position where the motor's on its butt, I guess you could say, and the impeller and the diffuser are facing upward. One of the hardest things to do, if you don't have any experience, is to put the pump body back on here without pinching this o-ring, okay, without pinching it, or it's still leaking. So could you imagine going through the whole problem of putting it together, putting it back in, turning the pump on, and it still leaks? Okay, so that's not the greatest feeling. But anyway, what you want to do is keep it on its back end, put the new gasket here and lube this up, of course, so that it slips easier. And then if you have an extra pair of hands, it works better, but you go ahead and you slide this down on it that way. Why? Because gravity will keep this in place, okay? If you're trying to do it in a horizontal position, it just slips off, especially because there's like this rounded piece right here that it just seems, it'll pinch right here, it'll keep sliding off. It just becomes a headache. So anyway, I hope that helps. Hayward Northstar, new seal plate O-ring, lube it up, keep it in that position, and that should help you get the job done. cvpools.com, like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.